Hi, third graders. Today is Wednesday, May 12th, and today I'm going to be going over your independent learning work. We're going to start with science. For science, you're going to continue to learn about water pollution, so you can click on this immersive reader button for it to read to you. I'm just going to talk about some different things with water pollution. There's a Nearpod built in here. On the next page, there's another Nearpod that we want you to do. So this Nearpod will open in a different tab. I'm going to join the lesson. And there's a video about water pollution. Guys, I think this is similar to one you did yesterday. But you can go through and watch that video. And then that is all for science for today. Next, you have math. And for math, friends, there is a video today. It's very important that you watch it because Mrs. Roos is going to be going over different types of shapes and how many sides and angles they have. If you do not come to Zoom, you absolutely need to watch this video. Then you have your Smart Suite here. We will be doing this together on Zoom. And then you have your exit ticket. Friends, today the exit ticket is 5 questions, and they're going to have you choose what type of polygon it is. And we'll be going over this in whole group. Then guys, you have a graded quick check this week. And I'm going to tell you that this graded quick check is tricky. You really need to take your time on it. It is 10 questions and you really need to read carefully. We will be going over some of these questions in math if we have time for them, because some of them are really tricky, but you really got to read carefully, especially this first one. It says a museum uses 6 trucks to move paintings and sculptures to a new location. They move a total of 24 paintings and 18 sculptures. How many paintings and how many sculptures are in each truck? So they drew a tape diagram for you guys already. I would draw this for myself. And they're saying that this is one, these are the 6 trucks that are carrying the paintings. There's 24 altogether. So they want you to figure out how many are in each truck. And then the sculptures, there are 18 altogether divided by the 6 trucks, and you're going to figure out how many go in each. So friends, I want you to think about equal groups. How many equal groups will get me to 18? How many equal groups will get me to 24? Then it's a similar question here, friends, where they give you a total amount of money that they have to spend. So he gives the cashier $30 to pay for 7 keychains from a gift shop. The cashier gives him $9 back. So you want to know how much each keychain costs. It's a multi-step problem. So this is tricky. Friends, a lot of these questions have visuals to help you. So I need you to really read through them and take your time. Friends, I'm going to tell you right now, if you're listening to this video, question number 8 is a throwaway question. If you read it, you're going to realize that it's silly. So that should be a free point. Number 9 should be a free point, and number 10 should be a free point. So make sure you take your time. You have 3 attempts. So if you get lower than a 7, you need to take it again. Then you have Dreambox for 15 minutes, and that is all for math. The last thing you're going to do is reading, friends. Now reading, you have the second part of your common assessment this week. You took the first part last week about poetry. This week, it is about somebody named Jessica and how she has a car wash. And the car wash has all the information. You're going to read about Jessica and her car wash and answer the questions. Once you're done reading about Jessica and her car wash, once you get to question number 7, then it's just questions that are like word analysis. So this is a context clue question where they want to know what combine means. Same thing, they want to know what inclined means. In which pair do the words sound the same but have different meanings? They're looking for homophones. And number 10 is which 2 words have similar meanings? Meanings means what the word means. So friends, on that one, you have 2 attempts. I will probably up it to 3, just so it's even with the math one. Again, 7 out of 10 or higher. Then you're going to listen to this story called Ye Shin. It's actually It's a Cinderella story from China. So this is the Chinese interpretation of Cinderella. And the question says, what does Ye Shin's stepmother do to trick the fish? Then you have independent reading and smarty ants, and you are done. Friends, there's no writing today, so you have a little bit less work to do. So that means that on your reading common assessment, meaning it's a test, you need to take your time and get a 7 out of 10 or higher. On your math quick check, you are aiming for a 7 out of 10 or higher. You need to retake it if you do not get those scores. If you take it those 3 times and you still don't get a 7 out of 10 or higher, then we will work through it with you. But you need to put the time in and make sure you slow down, because some of us like to race to get our work done on Wednesdays, and then we have to redo our work, and we don't want to do that. So hopefully you feel good and you do well today. We will see you at 8:45 for math group, and we hope that you have a fabulous Wednesday. Goodbye, everyone.